tones. What's the tone knob like? It's off. It's on about 3. It's gone up a bit. It's on about 5. Yep, tone knob good. Volume knob off. About 3. Still pretty much off. Oh, about 5 or 6. We're on 7 or 8. 10. So the volume knob is all at the top. terrible playing on an ML3 Pro Modern. I've literally had this for about 10 minutes and I'm just getting my head around it. It's got a pretty thick neck really. I thought the Modern would be more sort of shreddy, I suppose, but it's not. It's still quite a substantial neck. And that one is super smooth though, the roastediness is nice. Need some new strings, and I haven't played with the pickup heights. They are where they are, they're both pretty low. So I would probably going to higher the bridge up a little bit actually on there. Yeah, and as you heard, tone pot's really responsive. Not that anyone probably cares, I do. The volume, a bit less so, but yeah, it's a nice feeling guitar. All those like contours and belly cuts and cutaways and all that stuff, and the fact the body's not too thick just sits nicely, that does. So yeah, just need to get a bit used to. Yeah, nice. Have I achieved anything over getting rid of my ML3 Pro traditional? Well, it's obviously very different guitar. Nice having the 5-position switch, more tones. It's different, but yeah, I really wanted something with a slimmer neck. And is it slimmer? I can't work it out. It's a bit flatter. Is it slimmer? I don't know. But anyway, there we go. Few tones.